Hi, my name is Eric, and in this video I'd like to show you how to use the turn signal function. We call the large stalk on the left side of the steering column the combination switch. One of its functions is activation of the turn signal. When you're driving, you can indicate a lane change by moving the combination switch halfway up or down to the resistance point and then release. This will cause the turn signal to flash 3 times. Move the switch all the way up or down past the resistance point to indicate a turn. The turn signal will flash until the stalk position is canceled by the rotation of the steering wheel.
Please refer to the operator's manuals supplied with your vehicle for additional information on this feature.